Okay, hello YouTube, welcome. Today we're gonna have chicken wings, fried chicken wings today, but I do it a little different. It's gonna be delicious, it's gonna be good. Also check those affiliate links below on new products that we have that we use for putting up on YouTube. I think you're gonna be really appreciative of it because it's a new technology that's very cheap, and it makes it a lot easier when we're doing different things for the broadcast for you ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so let's get into cooking. Right. Okay. Now, what I usually do, because it's safe, is have your pot cover in your oil while it heats up, because it's gonna spurk out if it's a little bit of water. So I did it this way today because I'm tired of cleaning up oil all over the place. But anyway, since it's hot, I'm gonna take and add a little seasoning in there first to saute. Everything to saute. Down over here. Let that saute for a minute. We're gonna saute everything down and use our seasonings in there, you know. I like to use seasonings depending on how my tastes are. It's not everybody uses teaspoons, tablespoons. I'm just using it the way I'm used to cooking, usually by my hand or just by feeling of what I'm cooking, because that's how my taste buds are. Everybody does it differently. This is just a template of cooking good for something that you want to do. Throw your wings in there. Saute it all up for a little while to get a little brown. It's not going to cook right away, but just want it to be a little brown first before adding water and let it simmer. Just want everything just mixed up good. Let that sit in there for a little bit. Again, I go by where my taste buds are. Everybody's different, but I will have in the future the ingredients and the measurements that's for normal eating. But since I'm so good at cooking in the way I like to taste stuff, I've just been doing it for so many years this way anyway. Okay. Now, after you get everything sauteed and brown a little bit, you can start adding water so it can sit and simmer and cook a little bit more, because chicken wings ain't going to take that long to cook like that. So I just wanted to have it for a little bit more color. I saute everything up together first. And add some water to that. Add a little water in there. Let it steam. steam like that for a bit. Get the top one. Come back and check it another 15 minutes. And then we can show you what else we're going to do to it. So we stir it up, and it looks like it's cooking good. And then I can add my other ingredients, which is going to be like a cup of flour and some rice that I used from the day before. As you can see, that looks good and delicious, ladies and gentlemen. You can tell it's starting to try to fall off the bone a little bit. That's how you want that little chickenness done. And now let's take the rolled rice from yesterday and crumble it up in my hands and put it in it. Because the potato is going to have it thicken up already. I really don't need to use flour. The potatoes is going to cook it down and help thicken it up with the rice anyway. So just make sure you crumble. See, you got good rice from yesterday. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, our chicken wing goulash is done. All I'm going to do is plate it up. And as you can see, it's rich and delicious from stuff that you have already at home.